Hello everyone, my name is Aarav. I'm from class 1C. I'm so excited to show you a simple, easy experiment you can do at home. Let me tell you what all we need to do for the experiment. We need cooking oil, we need 3 colors, and we need a beaker filled with water. First, we need to take the oil and add any food color we want. 1, 2. One, 2. One, 2. We need to mix with the colors, the oil using a rod. Then we should add the oil gently and slowly into the water. Wow! Why you can see the colors going down really slowly, just like a firework. Why is this happening? Because the oil don't mix with the water and the colors mix with the water. Here we use 3 colors for this experiment we use 3 colors called red, yellow, blue. We can see little drops of the colors going down. I hope you like my tiny experiment. Happy Science Day!